solve this pattern where there is a space at the beginning. If you observe in this pattern, in each row, last number is 1. So it is ending with 1. There are 3 rows, and column wise, if you observe, we consider as a 3 rows and 3 column. And every time it is ending with 1, before printing, there is a space. Outer loop is row, inner loop is column, and printing job is done by column. So what we'll do, we first write the column information. That is inner loop. So what we'll set, j equal to, we put a question mark because initially you want here value 1, then 2 and 3, right? So you cannot fix up one value. So we put a value which we expect to be required, j equal to what possible value we need with each row and printing the column content. So this is, you can put question mark. And second observation, every row, it is ending with last column data is 1. So you put this value as a 1 here. And if second observation, there's a decrement in the value, that is 2, 1. If you see the last row, 3, 2, 1. So finally it is decrementing. So j minus minus, we have put this value 1. If it is minus minus, there has to be less than equal to. Now before printing, there has to be space ka loop, right? And since here we want a different value, we put j equal to I. Now, since j equal to I, and this is the possible value we required over here, we initialize I equal to 1 and 3 rows. So I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. And now for space, before printing, there is a space. So what we'll do, this also we try to control through I. Initially value of I is 1. And first time you want 2 space. So 1 is less than equal to 2, yes. 2 is less than equal to 2, yes. And when you iterate second time, the value of I will come 2. So it will iterate one time. And the last row, value of I will be 3. 3 is less than 2, no. So there is no space on the last row. So there is a 2, 1, 0 space. So let's read this entire code. I equal to 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes. It will go inside. S equal to 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes. This will iterate 2 times and give you 2 space. So as per here, it's going to give you 2 space. And then when I become, sorry, here it's a value for loop. No? So it is S less than equal to 2, S plus plus. So 1 is less than 2, yes. 2 is less than 2, yes. 3 is less than 2, no. You jump out. J equal to I, that is 1. 1 is less than equal to 1, yes. So it will print this value 1. Then it will be 0. 0 is less than 1, no. Jump out. Then I iteration will go ahead with value 2. 2 is less than 3, yes. Since it is 2, S equal to 2, it will print 1 space. Because 3 is less than 2, no, you jump out. Now I value is 2. And since it is decrementing, it will print 2, 1. And when it becomes 0, it will jump out, set the cursor on the next line. I will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 3, yes. Now, since I is 3, so S will hold a value 3. 3 is less than 2, no. If you observe, in the last row, there is no space. So there is no space. And then it will go ahead. J equal to I, that is value is 3. Since it is decremented, it will print 3, 2, 1. And when it is 0, it will jump out. It will set the cursor on the next line. Then I become 4. 4 is less than 3? No. I hope you have understood this pattern.